Hello everyone!
Ciao, Sicily Lovers!
This time we want to show you the second day of our Sicily Lovers Tour, our small group tour of Sicily reserved to 20 Sicily lovers. We are in Palermo, as always. This time Mimmo is joining us. He's very happy.
Ciao, Rosa.
So, Palermo is the capital of Sicily. 2,700 years of heritage. One of the most beautiful and richest cities in the world in terms of art, architecture, culture. It's a beautiful melting pot of different dominations. And it's also one of the largest historic centers in the world. That's why we'll be using some mini-events to go to our first step, the ancient open-air market of Ballarò.
The biggest one that we have in Palermo as well.
Right. Ballarò is one of the most popular markets in Italy. Today is Sunday. It's Sunday, May 17. Is it correct?
Yes.
2026. And so also local people are going there to buy food for the Sunday lunch.
The big and endless Sunday lunch.
And we will go there right now because it's important to visit the market early in the morning. Don't go in later. Don't go at lunchtime. It's overcrowded.
If you can hear me, because I know I don't know in Chinese. I have. I like them.
Oh, si entusiasmano! Ecco mo pizza la riga!
Then we will walk through the beautiful Cassaro. The official name is Corso Vittorio Emanuele, the most ancient street in Palermo. It connects the Royal Palace, the Acropolis, the upper town to the seafront. And we will visit the cathedral. That's a great combination of Arab and Norman style. It dates back to the 1100. Thank you. Then we will visit the famous Four Corners, the Quattro Canti. That's the heart of the historic center of Palermo. A beautiful, beautiful square, very iconic. Then we will see what's behind us, the very famous Fountain of the Shame, Fontana Pretoria. and the beautiful Baroque church of Santa Caterina. It dates back to the 1500. It was completed in the 1700. It's full of beautiful frescoes and marble mosaics.
I see some of you perplexed.
And since Mimo and our Sicily lovers, maybe they will be hungry in the middle of the tour, we have scheduled a tasty stuff to enjoy the famous arancine, the rice balls, in the best cafe in town. So as you know, we run a tour company based in Sicily, and we help you enjoy memorable experiences in our beloved island. You have a couple of possibilities to book a tour with us. It can be a custom private tour of Sicily. It will be available all year round. It will be customized according to your needs and passions. Or you can join our small group tour of Sicily, the Sicily Lovers Tour. It's our ideal tour of Sicily. It covers the whole island in 13 days. It's a very affordable tour, best value for your money tour, and you have a couple of possibilities in 2027. The 2026 editions are already sold out. The September 2027 is already sold out. It remains only April and May 2027. If you want to join this tour, please check the available spots on our website. Rosella?
things-to-do-in-sicily.com, and you can still take advantage of the early booking discount, so check now.
10% off.
And of course, Mimo will be your special tour guide next year.
Be ready to meet Mimo in person. Guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, because in the next days we will show you the other highlights in our tour of Sicily. And as always, love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!
Ciao!
Ciao!